one for me. Very good. All right, got a pretty good separation.
Yeah.
How far did I get?
Out of the way.
All right, good.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Oh, that's my favorite.
Still bumping? Still
Oh, yeah.
bumping.
Yeah.
All right, try to relax. Gonna get his facet joints here. Already moved. Wonderful. Another one this way. Very good. All right, easy peasy.
Yep.
Your fingers right there, good. We'll take our time. Good. Whoa!
Oh, yeah.
Jeez!
I wish I could have done that.
Jeez.
Oh, man.
That was a big move. Good. Good. I'm just feeling where it's going to end, right about there. That's not so bad, right? Good. A little more.
Ow.
There you go. Home run. That's T6. We're going to set it as a PRIT. Let's do a transverse contact first. There you go. And a little tiny bit more. This one's easy. Hard part's over. That's it. Shoulders down, shoulders down, down.
Oh my God. Oh.
Gotcha. Now, I'm gonna get, my contact is gonna be here. It's tender. I'm gonna roll you. Look, my knee is here. You're not going anywhere.
Okay.
Okay? Relaxed. Happy place, please. Happy place. Gotcha.
Wow, you're so mean.
Stand up for me, please. Squeeze my hands. Squeeze hard. Squeeze hard. Let's check. Let's set the elbow. Posterior distal radius. Posterior radius. There. Posterior distal. Squeeze now.
Fuck you.
Whoa, you hear that?
That's a good response.
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna, so right here at L5, that's where we're going to do the adjustment. So big deep breath in and out.
Whoa, that's crazy. Weird.
Good response.
Yeah.
That was a good one. And what I want is your hands on top of mine up here. Right, all the way up. Yeah, and then interlock your fingers right on top of mine and squeeze down. A little harder. And breathe in deep. And fall back. Look up.
Wait, look up.
You did perfect.
Oh, I did?
Now, I've never done this one before. All the way over.
Whoa.
Let your head relax all the way over right there.
Whoa.
Big smile.
C7. PLS.
Oh!
There you go. Right there. And we want to set it as a PL, being mindful not to disrupt the pelvis. She's more flexible. There it is. So we just want to come right through at the sacrum, right? Home run, right there. What up, baby? Talus, medial tilt. There you go. Next we're going to do the inferior navicular. Okay. Next thing we're going to do, superior first cuneiform, superior middle or first cuneiform. There, got it. It's moving. It's moving better. Nice. And just playing around.
Oh, you're playing.
Yeah. C6. Look up. Perfect. Just a baby one. ASEX pull move. There you go. Let's get up on the shoulder a little bit. Getting all sweaty on me early today. ASEX. There. Gotcha.
倒れてきてください。で、こうダーンとしていただいて。大丈夫ですか？はい。で、力抜いていただいて、はい、ダラーンとしてください。で、ずーっと。はい、力抜いてくださいね。
そうです。力入ってますよ。そう。はい、いいですね。はい、じゃあ手頭の後ろで組んで、力全部抜いてますよ。そうです。はい、手離して。下向いててくださいね。頭前よ、ぐーっと前。
Anda bikin lagi.
Okay. There you go. You should have felt that all the way down. Did you?
Yes.
Okay, now just watch your reflexes now. Look at the difference. You feel that?
That's crazy.
Yeah. Okay, let me have your neck. Perfect. There we go. Good. Dude, those were probably a little sore, weren't they?
Yeah.
Yep, there we go. Oh yeah, Crack Act's gonna love you. There we go. Okay, here we go. Okay.
Just relax. Good. Okay. Relax your shoulders. Good. Nice.
We adjusted her last night on this side, so we're gonna go here. Good. Right here. That left shoulder drop for me, Julian. Oh yeah, that moved really good. Just head fall forward. Heather, come around this side so you can see. Let your shoulders relax for me. Good, there you go. All right.
All right, you ready, Missy?
Yep. Oh my God.
Nice. And there goes the red ears. Famous red ears. One more. There's another. That was awesome.
There we go. There it is.
Deep breath for me. And relax. Yeah. Oh. Oh yeah. Nice. Nice. One more deep breath. Oh yeah. Whew. Nice.
Inside here, come a little closer. And relax there. A little bit more. Yeah. Okay, let's come right on the other side, please. Okay, we're going to do one more adjustment. We're going to get that lower cervical spine and just relax those muscles. Really going to open up the joints a bit. That's it. Let it go. A little bit more. Good. Right there. Good. Excellent.
Tindakan preventif agar tidak lepas. Lemas? Tak apa-apa. Monci, ini berikan ke sini. Enggak? Lemas? Coba bangun.
All the way out. Good. Nice. One more. It's actually tight in here. All the way out. Ooh. Take a big smile.
I love it.
Deep breath for me again. And relax. Good. That was awesome. That sounded good. That was good.
Chiropractor, her and Jeremy's chiropractor up in Washington State, Dr. Dam. There we go. Boy, that was a full tilt, Diva. Yeah. You're still attached. Whew. Boy, that was much more solid than this morning's even.
Yes. Deep breath. Oh, that's already going. Man, that was tight. You okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, I see what you mean. Go face up for me. There we go. Nice. And there goes the red ears. I say it on video all the time.
Whoa, that moved good. You feel all those move in your lower thoracics there? Excellent. Yes, sir. Crack addict's gonna love you too. There you go. Good. It's nice being a crack addict that other crack addicts love.
Oh, yeah.
There you go. Now, I don't have to ask if you felt that all the way down.
Wow.
Yeah.
I did.
That's a wow adjustment. You got great reflexes. Okay. Good old Palmer diversified rotary brake. Yes, sir. Good job.